In this video, I'll be sharing my top picks for the best carp fishing lines, based on my personal experience and extensive research. Lines are not all created equal and they have different properties, which is what I am now going to explain. If you want to fish with confidence, you are going to need the best carp fishing line you can get. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, this video will provide you with valuable insights and information to help you make an informed decision when choosing a fishing line for carp fishing. We'll cover a wide range of fishing lines, including monofilament, fluorocarbon, and braided lines, and discuss their benefits and drawbacks. I'll also provide tips on how to choose the right line for your specific fishing situation and offer advice on how to properly set up and maintain your fishing line. So, if you're looking to improve your carp fishing skills and increase your chances of landing that elusive trophy fish, this video is a must-watch. This video is going to tell you everything that you need to know. Number 1. Beyond Braid Blue Camo Fishing Line. Braid isn't camouflaged and is visible in the water. Beyond Braid have dealt with a problem that has often been a stone in the shoe of anglers, by producing a braid that is designed to be less visible in the water. In this line you can get all of the benefits without any of the downsides. How does it work? Okay, on the surface it looks blue, but as it sinks through the water, certain wavelengths of light are actually blocked. This means the line changes color as it sinks. Neat, huh? If blue isn't your color, don't worry, as it is available in several colors so you can match it perfectly to the conditions in your spot. The color won't wash away either, as the braid is specifically designed to retain its invisible properties. Beyond Braid has a smooth fluoropolymer coating that allows for more efficient casts and longer distances every time. A thinner diameter slices through your guides and allows you to pack more line onto your reel. Number 2. Spiderwire Ultracast Ultimate Fishing Line. Spiderwire are a premium brand, and as a result they offer premium performance. And this isn't just any mono line. For a single spool this line is packed with features. For a start you'll gain about 33% more strength by using this line. Essentially what that means is that a 10 pounds line will behave more like a 13 pounds line. With no increase in bulk. I really like it. What else? For such a tough line this is really stretchy. The line has the ability to stretch by 15%. If you get hard pulls, or need to cast a little heavier, then this makes it ideal. As anglers we aim to be environmentally friendly. This line can even help with this. The spool size and packaging has been reduced to prevent waste. This is a nice touch to an already excellent line. Unprecedented 15% stretch for incredible sensitivity and hook setting power. Thin diameter allows exceptional bait action and high line capacity. Number 3. Berkeley Vanish Fluorocarbon Fishing Line. Berkeley have made their name in baits and lures. So, there's something that they are experts in? Let me enlighten you. They know how to catch fish. Much of what makes good lure fishing line transfers directly to carp fishing. The two main things that fluorocarbon offers are increased feel and near invisibility in the water. This is what you are getting with this product. Physically changes color above water so anglers can see more strikes. 100% fluorocarbon remains invisible underwater to catch more fish. Improved varnish formula is easy to handle with improved knot strength. Non-absorbing fluorocarbon maintains strength and abrasion resistance. Fluoro can sometimes be a little stiff. With this line it isn't a problem, as it is one of the most flexible fluorocarbon lines out there. This means that tying knots, casting and tangle prevention are all nicely balanced. Number 4. Spiderwire Dura 4 Braid Fishing Line. If you have already seen our mono offering from Spiderwire you will already know what you are getting with regards to quality. So, what's different? For a given breaking strain, braid is about 60% thinner than other lines. This means you can fit more on a spool. If you have a big reel you can effectively double up on distance. Wait, there's more. By reducing line diameter, you cut down on air resistance. And what does this give you? A much greater casting distance. What's not to like? I really like the moss green color of this line. Provided you are fishing in the right conditions it should be really difficult for the fish to see it in the water. Spiderwire's Dura 4 braid is ideal for fishing on a budget, with a high visibility and improved castability. Spiderwire Dura 4 features a slick outer coating for increased casting distance and slickness, allowing you to adapt to any conditions or setup. Number 5. Berkeley X9 Braid Fishing Line. Do you fish using your senses? If so, you will need a line that lets you feel every bump and knock on the hook. This line is it. What makes me say that? The denser the braid, the better the bite detection. And they don't come much denser than this. Berkeley have added an extra strand into the manufacturing process, without increasing diameter. This means that the line is super solid and dense. Aside from aiding casting distance, you will get superior bite detection. It has other features. Knot strength is guaranteed with this line, so once you tie something on it is staying put and shouldn't fail. The braid is also abrasion resistant, ideal for hard conditions. Highly resistant Berkeley X9 braid fishing line provides higher knot strength and durability than other lines. Its 9-carrier construction with a PE core makes reeling in trophy fish easier while providing superior strength. This durable line has been designed for optimal casting distance while providing maximum sensitivity to lure retrieval.